Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to Telegram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, click on this triple bar at the top left corner. If you look at this menu towards the bottom, you've got an option here called Invite Friends. Press it. It will take you across to your contacts list. You can select any of your contacts to invite them to Telegram, or you can click on Share Telegram. By clicking on that, it will bring up a window where you can copy or share your Telegram invite link. You can send your invite link through anything you want, like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or just by email. For example, I'm here in my email, and all what I can do is paste that link just like so, and send it to the person I need to invite. So that's it. That is how to invite people to Telegram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.